Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Financial Independence. So let's look at what happened in the market today and what is the outlook for tomorrow and the coming sessions. So currently, SGS Nifty is trading around 32 points higher, and Dow Jones 395 or 400 points down. Nasdaq is also close to 200 points down. Following the yesterday's meeting, US Fed Reserve meeting, after the announcement of the interest rate hikes, which is in 2023, which may be like one or two times. After that, market started to tank there in US markets, and after that it was followed by HGS Nifty, Chinese markets. Today our market was also started to tank, opened with almost 150 points down, and then it started rebounding. At one stage it rebounds almost close to 17,000, 15,750 levels. You see it came to 780 levels, and then it started tanking, but somehow it sustained above 15,700 levels, close to 670, which is the earlier support levels. So as long as market is staying at this area, there is nothing to worry. So again, it has taken around 1.13 Fibonacci extension level, retracement levels. So if you see, starting from June month, this month, it has taken 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4 times it has taken support around these levels. So let's wait for tomorrow's data also. I'm expecting 1 or 2 days bearishness, and then it may rebounds. But a correction is indeed, it is there, which is at close to 15,900 or 16,000 levels. But if tomorrow's market did not sustain above 15,500, then this may be a short-term high top made on this. So we have to watch tomorrow data very carefully. As of now, as per the option chain, open interest, 16,000 is having the huge resistance. 15,700 is having a good support on, and after that, in between that, everything is having a scattered open interest. Bank Nifty is having 35,000 as huge support, and 35,500 is having the huge resistance as of now. So another factor which is worrying is US dollar index, US dollar index rise. So it is keep on increasing. So it is actually good for the IT stocks. So if you see, I had given Nifty IT as breakout and a sector to focus for the coming week. Like this week, I gave it in the last Sunday. So people are asking me why I'm considering Nifty IT as like the sector to watch for. So here in market, everything is pre-decided, predefined only. So if you see, if you correlate or connect the dots, you can understand all this. So last week I said we are expecting a FedEx meeting, which is more important. So when CPI inflation data came, I informed that the next announcement is going to be Fed Reserve meeting, and which is about the stimulus and interest rate hikes. So everything is coming in correlation. If you connect the dots, you can understand. Nifty IT gave a breakout. So FI decides, like in prior, and then they are started moving the shifting their, like rotate the sector rotation happens. So if you see, I gave it at 2008. Sorry, I gave it at. Let me go to the weekly chart. So this is the level I indicated here. So within one, like this 4-5 sessions, 28,165 to 28,606, almost 500 points movement in Nifty index. So what is good in this US dollar interest? Hikes or uh, which continuously rising is Nifty IT stocks and pharma stocks will benefit on this. So please focus on Nifty IT stocks. So it will be outperforming in this coming sessions. Bank Nifty again, it is struggling. HDFC Bank, it is going down again and again. There is no hope for rebounds. You can see again it is taking support around these levels, which it took around 27th May. So again, lower low, lower highs, lower lows. So this is again area to consider. If market breaks, HDFC breaks this level, then bullishness would come. So ICC Bank still struggling to get past 630, 640 levels. You can see how it is making. So again, lower highs, lower lows. So outlook as of now is negative. Considering FIDA data, FIA had sold 879 crores and DA had brought very few, which is like 45 crores. So we need DA to get back into support. Until unless that market will be start going down. When DA starts supporting us, then market may like stabilize, or FIs should start buying on this. So Reliance again today, not a good performance today. But what is interesting is it is making a, let me show that pattern. It is making a W pattern, or it is almost completed the Fibonacci, like harmonics level. Reversal point, it has reached the reversal point, so it is bit struggling there. If Reliance did not sustain about these levels, if it starts falling, then Nifty will be following that. So these are the important stocks which you have to monitor: Nifty, IT, Reliance, HDFC Bank, ICC Bank. So now heavyweight index we have to watch. So please focus on mid cap and small cap stocks, which doesn't have any dependency on the Nifty 50 for coming sessions. Not much, like action is there on these heavyweight index. So 1 or 2, 3 sessions we have to watch for the data, how it is getting built on, and after that we can decide. Potentially by Monday we can have a clear data. So that's all for today. If you see at the 1 second, let me, yeah. So that's all for today. So if you have any doubts or clarifications or comments, please post on the comment section. Let's discuss and clarify. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks guys.